Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College YouTube channel. If you are here for the very first time, then we welcome you and look forward to your continued visit as well as subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on our videos. If you are a regular visitor, we welcome you as usual. Let's jump into the video. My car recently developed a problem in which one of the disc wheels was unusually hotter than the other three disc wheels. I do have an idea of what the issue is, however, I'm going to use ChatGPT to diagnose the issue and confirm the findings with my mechanic before making a final decision to repair the car. Let's get in touch with ChatGPT for my car's diagnosis. Hello ChatGPT. I have a mechanical issue with my car. Can you help me to diagnose the issue?
Yes, I can, but you need to visit my website and explain to me the issue. Please make it quick, as I am a busy person right now.
Hello ChatGPT, and thank you for inviting me to your site. Here is my question for you. I recently had a problem with my car. The issue is that my car's front wheel disc was quite hotter than the other disc wheels on the car. Could you tell me if there is a problem with my braking system?
Go ahead and finish typing your question, then press send, so I can process the information and provide you with the answer. You seem to be a slow writer. Why is it taking you so long to write your question? We write way faster than you guys. Just joking, ha, ha. Take your time. Yes, a hot front wheel disc could indicate a problem with your car's braking system. It could be due to excessive friction caused by worn-out brake pads, a stuck caliper, or warped brake rotors. It's best to have a mechanic inspect your car as soon as possible to avoid any safety hazards.
Is there anything else you can tell me concerning this issue?
Sure, I can. Here are a few additional points. A hot front wheel disc is a sign of uneven brake wear, which can lead to longer stopping distances and reduced braking efficiency. If the front brake pads are worn, they may not be making full contact with the brake rotor, which could cause the rotor to overheat and become damaged. A stuck caliper can cause the brake pads to remain partially applied, leading to excessive heat buildup in the brake rotor. Warped brake rotors can cause vibrations and pulsations during braking, which can lead to uneven wear of the brake pads and further damage to the rotor. It's important to address the issue promptly to ensure the safe operation of your vehicle and avoid more costly repairs down the line.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.
So, viewers, I took my car to the mechanic to confirm the ChatGPT diagnosis. Of course, the mechanic checked the car and told me that I have defective brake calipers and worn disc wheels. ChatGPT was right about the issue with my car. My car is now running well, as I have changed the front brake calipers, brake pads, and disc wheels. Disclaimer. Please verify the information ChatGPT gives you about your car, with your certified mechanic before making decisions on your car's issues. The Inspiration College cannot be held responsible for any incorrect use of this information. Say thank you to ChatGPT. Adios.